the birds sing. The way I hustle, they think that a nigga serving. You go get what you deserving. I done finally found my purpose. All this smoking got me thirsty. In my cup, chocolate water, call it Hennessy. Old flames wanna know if we were kindling. Still cross your mind forever in your memories. Whoa, caught up in the daydream. You ain't rapping, you just capping for the mainstream. You ain't rolling 40 autos, but they stay clean. 2020 with the vision, but they can't see. Yeah, things starting to get clear. So much pain I keep inside and it just build up. When my granddad died, I couldn't even tear up. Still rolling old school till the wheels rust. Oh, two broke cars, still find real love. Yeah. I ain't care, that's what the deal was. You gon' probably run this back if you don't feel us. A target running on my back, they tryna kill us. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, I get it, oh yeah. Yo, it's frozen, I bet they didn't know ya, that I was chosen. Now I'm feeling so blessed. And my whole set full of day one niggas I could never forget. And they gon' die about it. I just pull up Eddie Murphy, skinny nigga, wide body. Turn a buddy love, these old wanna cry about it. Call it switcheroo. I won't stop until the money's coming blue. It's sad to say my past will always catch up with me. I done took a few souls, pray Lord forgive me. Birds talking like it's Mordecai and Rigby. Bruce Wayne, I'm Dark Knight up in the city. Woo. Look, I'm up early before the birds sing. The way I hustle, they think that a nigga serving. You go get what you deserving. I done finally found my purpose. Whoa.